Here is a softball, and today we're going to use it. I got this for 10 cents at a junk store. We're going to use it to stretch out the hamstring that we've been working so hard on to get in shape. So you just want to take the ball, put it right. Oh, you can't really see me, can you? I'm going to bring this down just a touch. Okay. So you want to take your softball. You can use a baseball. You can use a tennis ball, but the softball is so big that it covers a big area. You just want to set the ball right under your hamstring and start pushing. Now, you might be able to just do this and just push into it, like no holding up your body, because it's such a big space there, and it really gets right into that hamstring. It feels so amazing, like you're getting a massage, but for free at home, alone. But what I really like to do is get up onto your arms and put the weight of the ball and roll up, the weight of your body, and roll up and down on the ball till you find that nice sweet spot, which is right. Well, it's different for everybody. So you can go on the inner part of the thigh and push into it. The outer part, I really like the outer part because we don't pay a lot of attention to the, you're gonna find some spots that are so tender. When you get to those spots, I want you to stay on them. Yeah. I want you to go up and down, find the spot that's sore, and then just push into it. Now, I find that 30 seconds holding a position on a muscle is the most efficient time frame because you're going to get the maximum benefit. So you can count to 30. Doesn't have to be Mississippi, just counts 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I feel like I could just stay here forever. Feels so good. And sometimes it's so unbearable on the outside, the pain. Now remember, you're not pushing this ball into a bone. If you hit a bone, that's not good. You want to push into a muscle and trigger points that run all the way up and down your muscles in your body. When you find a hot spot, just find it. Stay with it for as long as you can. Now, if you can only stay there for 10 seconds, like this piece of quad muscle that's killing me, the outer quad, there we go. Now, you're going to feel already that you have so much more flexibility. But what I want you to do is take this bad boy, put it on your butt. Yes, right there on the glute. Oh my God, you guys. Heaven, I'm in heaven. Okay, whoa. Just get right in there and then find that sweet spot and just push, find it, push, hold it. You find that sweet spot. I don't care what kind of crazy ass position you're in. When you find that sweet spot, just stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it. Come back and roll into it to another spot on your glute. There's lots of spots. You guys are going to find a lot of spots. And again, if you don't have a softball or a baseball, go into your kid's bedroom because you'll find one. Go to a garage sale this Sunday. Actually, like Target sells them for like really cheap. I mean, everybody, oh my God, right here. And again, remember, not on the bone, make sure you're on a muscle, and you can slowly go around and around. Oh my God, and then hold on that sweet spot. You guys, I swear to God, nobody is gonna do this unless you go to a Thai massage and have someone jump on your back, which my daughter won't jump on my back anymore, and she's the perfect weight right about now. Maybe a little heavy. I think she's 50 pounds. Okay, I have to get to the other side. And again, you guys, you can use this for your upper, oh my God, wait a minute. Right in between, oh my God. I'm just gonna lean down on it. Okay, so I get a little crazy with this because it feels so freaking good. Right below my shoulder, that shoulder blade, so painful for me because I sleep on my stomach, and I've tried to train myself to sleep on my back, and I cannot, or my side, I cannot. Ugh. So I tend to have jacked up shoulders and neck when I wake up. Part of my life, something that I manage, but yeah, so as you can see, I'm pushing my entire body weight into this ball and I'm rolling up and down. I was supposed to do the other glute, but oh my God, when you find that spot, move the arm around it, find the spot that feels amazing. Now, it's gonna be painful, hold into the pain as long as it's not too painful. You guys know your bodies. Now you can move up. Now I'm coming all the way up to that shoulder. It's a big, fatty muscle up there, right? Thick guy, holds a lot of stress and tension, especially if that's where you tend to hold all your stress in your shoulders like me. Oh my God, it feels so good. And you could just move the shoulder up and down, like experiment moving the body in different ways to find what works for you. Oh my God. And then come down, like maybe just, if you can handle this much weight. Oh, you guys, can you put like a little bow tie on this guy so I can marry him? I mean, another thing that is amazing is just put, this ball is a perfect size to put cradle right underneath your neck. Can you see that? Okay, now this is one of my all-time favorite exercises. So I'm just gonna slightly move up and down. You can move your head right to left if you want. And all those trigger spots that are surrounding those, that neck, those muscles on the right and the left side at the top of that spine right there, all the way up into your neck. And just find the sweet spot, hold it. Now, if you have any neck injuries, I wouldn't recommend this unless you talk to your chiropractor. And again, anytime you're dealing with your neck or your body in general, if you have pain, first go to a physical therapist and a chiropractor. And then, like I've gone for years, so acupuncturist, I know all about it. So I know my own body. It's important that you know your own body. If you have never done anything like this before and you don't feel comfortable, go to a chiropractor first. But this, just putting the pressure, oh my God, you guys, you can try and bring your chin down and then back and then down. And I like to turn on the side and just stay here. I swear I could fall asleep. I mean, it's painful, so I wouldn't really. And then you want to pick up your body, push the weight into the ball. Push the weight. Turn your head from right to left and find exactly where it is, where that muscle. Oh, that's it. And then you're like, bingo, found it. When you find it, you can slowly move into it, up and down. Oh, it feels amazing. When I watch this video back, I'm going to be like, Samantha, shut up, girl. You're making so much noise. But I swear I love this. So I'm just rolling up and down into that muscle. The trigger point is going to release all the tension, loosen up that muscle, and let it freaking relax. Okay, because I'm a mom, and I have a job, and I get stressed, and I've been extra stressed lately because the middle school search is a whole nother story. Still haven't even gotten to middle school for my daughter. And then, okay, I could probably stay here for another half an hour, but for the sake of this video, oh my God, already? Look at that. The flexibility, see, do a check already. I'm just got so much more flexibility in my neck, okay? So again, you can do this on your lower back, not on the spine, never on the bone, but on either the right or the left. And now I'm really dead. I'm dead. This is amazing. Oh my God, you guys. Push into the muscle. Can you guys see what I'm doing here? Oh my God. Find the sweet spot. Find the sweet spot. Push into it. How much weight is all up to you because you're in control of this exercise. Breathe, like let your body weight down or pick it up. I like to pick it up because I have more control. Right there on the side. See, I need a full damn body massage. But I would need a full body massage every couple of weeks because I work out so much. So this softball, what you'll find is after you do this, so usually I have one side that's tight and the other side that's not. That's it. So I'm going to hold that. 10, 9, just pushing into the ball. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm just going to check in with myself and see what kind of flexibility I have. So now can I go back? I mean, just the fact that I have so much more flexibility in going back. Yeah, because that was totally hurting me. Now I can go all the way back. So, you know, check to see afterwards. And again, I'm going to come up and get that right side of that glute. So you guys know that no one's really massaging our glutes. No one's massaging my glute. You guys might be lucky enough to have somebody that massages your glute on a regular basis. But, you know, everyone's tired. We all worked a long day and we don't want to give somebody else a massage. We tend to only want to give ourselves a massage. So, yeah, if you're lucky enough to have somebody want to massage you, go on, girl. Put a comment below and say, Sam, I got someone giving me a massage every night. But me, it's just me and my softball. Okay, right on the side. And again, this is lots of experimentation. Start with a tennis ball. And if you really want to get crazy, you can do golf ball. It's smaller, it's harder, but it really gets into one specific point in your body. Roll it down. Okay, so you really think that I got that butt pretty good. Now I'm going to do, again, the outer thigh right here. Oh my God. You guys, for real, this is... Okay, I think you guys are getting the gist of this. Find the sweet spot. The other side is way worse. So you're going to be uneven. One side is going to have different pains. Oh my God, it feels so good. Up and down. And if you want to do this for 20 minutes after a workout, I do it after a workout when I do a HIIT workout, but I do it before I even go to ballet. Oh my God, that spot right there. I found it. Sometimes it'll take a while for you to find the spot. But when you find it, push all your weight into it and hold for 10. Now 30 seconds is a dream, but 30 seconds is a lot, especially when it hurts. It hurts so good. So if you can just do 10 seconds, move that foot around. Like I said, find the sweet spot. You guys know your body. Find what feels good and push. You want to come back up. Find the spot right next to it. Sometimes I find that when you find a sweet spot, move right around that area and you'll tend to find, oh my God. Ah, that's it. 10, 9, oh my God. 8, 7, 6. And you might even want to stay longer. I'm going to stay longer here because this is the spot for me. And in ballet, I do a lot of extensions to the front and to the side, and my quads, my hips, all of it. I work really hard. And being almost 50, it gets really difficult. I get stiff. I'm not like some spring chicken who could just get my leg up. You know what I mean? I can't just do splits. It takes time. Okay, I can already feel my whole body changing. So I'm going to check in with myself. What's my extension? Look at that. All of a sudden, I have so much more extension. And you guys, this little 10-cent ball from the junk store, this little softball, I love. I hope you guys really like this video. I've never done anything like this before, but let me know how you like it. And remember, I have tons of other videos for you guys to watch. Over, I think I'm at 100 workout videos now. Beauty, fashion, motivation, over 40, over 50. It's all for you. It's all for you guys. All right, have a great day. And I feel so much better. Oh yeah, ready to start my day. Bye. One other thing that I do want to let you know is you can improve your life no matter what your age is. You can go for your dreams no matter what stage of your life you're in. And I keep hearing people say, well, I can't. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I can't possibly change now. It's too late for me. My life is pretty much like over. I got to stay with this job. I got to stay in this apartment. My relationship sucks, but who else is going to want me? First of all, I'm alone right now. And let me tell you something. I like it. Now, yeah,